Welcome everyone. Today we're delving into a legal dispute between sports merchandise giant Fanatics and NFL rookie Marvin Harrison Jr. What led to this breach of contract lawsuit? Let's break down the details and explore the implications for contract law. Fanatics has filed a lawsuit against Harrison, claiming the NFL rookie failed to fulfill his obligations under a contract they allege was signed in May 2023. This contract reportedly covered autographs, trading cards, and other marketing opportunities. In a surprising twist, Harrison has publicly asserted that no such contract exists. This raises critical questions about the evidence each party has to prove their claim, a common issue in contract disputes. Under contract law, a valid agreement requires offer, acceptance, and consideration. The key issue here is whether a legally binding contract was formed. If Harrison indeed signed the contract as Fanatics claims, they must prove its validity and his breach. This case highlights the complexities of contract negotiations in sports, particularly involving young athletes. It serves as a cautionary tale about clear communication and documentation informing agreements. Fanatics is seeking millions in damages and has requested a jury trial, which could lead to a public, detailed examination of how sports marketing contracts are negotiated and enforced. This lawsuit between Fanatics and Marvin Harrison Jr. isn't just a legal battle. It is a lesson in the importance of clear contracts in sports world. What do you think about this case? Will it change how athletes and companies negotiate deals? Share your thoughts in the comments below.